Bite-sized German lessons by 11%.
Aus, aus, aus. So today we are again dealing with a super short word that packs a ton of different meanings and usages. So stay with me as we try to explore all the different possible ways this can be put in a sentence. Aus is a preposition, which can mean from, of, made of, out of, or out, depending on the phrase. For example, kommt aus Brasilien. He comes from Brazil. This is how you will see it most often in the beginner stages. Diese Schokolade kommt aus der Schweiz. This chocolate comes from Switzerland. Dieser Tisch ist aus Holz. This table is made out of wood. You can use aus to say that something is made from a specific material, like here, aus Holz. Sie stieg aus dem Bett. She got out of bed. Sie nahm die Butter aus dem Kühlschrank. She took the butter out of the fridge. Nimmt die Tasse aus dem Schrank. He takes the cup out of the cupboard. Sie zog 10 Bücher aus ihrer Tasche. She pulled 10 books out of her bag. Sie schaute aus dem Fenster. She looked out the window. And here are some common phrases with aus. Gestern ist Max aus dem Urlaub zurückgekommen. Max came back yesterday from his vacation. Hat es aus Angst gemacht. He did it out of fear. Das Haus besteht aus einer Küche, 2 Schlafzimmern, einem Badezimmer und einem Wohnzimmer. The house consists of a kitchen, 2 bedrooms, a bathroom and a living room. Ich lernte viel und aus diesem Grund bestand ich die Prüfung. I studied hard and therefore, or because of that reason, I passed the exam. Ich habe das aus Versehen gemacht. I did that accidentally. Want to level up? It is important to know the difference between aus and aus, which is a separable prefix. Huh? Let me explain. For instance, ich füllte das Formular aus. I filled out the form. Here, the aus you see is the separable prefix of the verb ausfüllen. These prefixes get detached and almost always appear at the end of the sentence, while the preposition aus appears before the noun. Ich komme aus Deutschland. I come from Germany. Aus can also be an adverb, in which case it means over or off. But you will learn more about this usage in the video about the phrase aus sein. Today we learned about the preposition aus, which can mean from, of, to be made of something, out of or out. It's important not to confuse aus with the separable prefix aus. If it's a detached part of the verb, the prefix comes at the end of the sentence. And if it's the preposition, it comes before the noun. And now, time for a little exercise or Übung. Is the aus here a preposition or a separable prefix? Write your answers in the comments and get the chance to win a completely free beginner German course. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss! Hungry for more? subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!